Hi guys, welcome to next content. Hello everyone, let's look at steps to uninstall the update KB5063878 from Windows 11 to prevent your SSD. First open Start menu and look for the Settings app. Then go to Windows Update. Then open Update History. At the bottom of the page, click on Uninstall Updates. Now, from this page, you can quickly click the uninstall option to remove the update. However, you have to make sure that the Windows Sandbox feature is not enabled on your computer. Now, if it is checked and you click OK, you will have to restart the computer and then you can go to Windows Update to the Uninstall Updates page to remove the update. So I don't have it checked right here. So I'm just going to click Cancel and on the page, click the Uninstall option right here. And now we're just going to click the Uninstall button to complete the process. And now we just need to click the Restart button to complete the process. Immediately after restarting the computer, you want to open the Settings app again. And then on Windows Update, make sure to click the Pause for 1 week option. Actually, you can also extend it even further up to 4 weeks. If this option is available, I recommend you to choose this option. That way, your computer will not try to re-download the same update until a permanent fix is available. Now, if you had to disable the Windows Sandbox feature, you can turn it back on by opening Start and then look for the Turn Windows Features On and Off. And then just check the option, click OK, and restart the computer to complete the process. So when you know there is an update available that fixes this issue, it is important that you open the Windows Update settings again and then just click the Resume Updates button to download the latest updates for your computer. But I'm not saying that you should forget about updates. What I'm saying is that you should disable automatic updates and then schedule a manual update when you know a patch is good enough to be installed on your computer. So, for example, usually when a new cumulative update is released, I don't install them immediately. I usually wait about 2 weeks and then I proceed with the installation. But you can also use the registry or the group policy editor to completely disable Windows Update so that the only way to install maintenance patches is by manually triggering the update button on the Windows Update page. And that's it. That is how you uninstall the latest update from Windows 11 to prevent storage issues on your computer. Let me know in the comments if you already came across this issue and if you uninstalled the update to prevent this from happening. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you. And I would like to thank you for viewing.